Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria, but I am originally from Kogi State. I am an Igala lady. Yes, this is an Igala face. Have you seen an Igala person before? If you have not seen one, I am a proud representation of Igala Kingdom. Yes, so guys, if you want to know where Igala people are located in Nigeria, when you go to the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, yes, it's just the journey from there to Igala Kingdom is like 45 minutes or 1 hour drive. Yes, and you are in Igala land. So, guys, if you are seeing me for the first time, I am saying a big welcome to you. You're clicking our video for the first time. It's not by mistake. God led you here, okay? So just hit the subscribe button and join us on this channel because here we make a lot of spiritual sense. Yes, so we don't take things on face value, and by the grace of God, God has been giving us a lot of testimonies on this channel. But today, I want to tell us something. I want to bring your understanding to something. Do you know what I mean by family idol? Family idol. That is nickname, that is special name, that is sweet name to give to that kind of thing. Family demon. Yes, it's a demon. When I talk to some people, I say, I see a demon killing people in your family. Yes, in your family, people don't get to 50 years, they die. No matter how positive, if you like, let them go and stay in America. Go and stay in Denmark, where they get the best health treatment. Anywhere, at the age of 50, something must kill them. And they say, Medilock, I don't know, it's true, my uncle died of this is something at the age of 49, this one at the age of 50, they all die, that's how they are dying. Me, now I am afraid. Yes, then I'll tell them, this is what is killing them. Family idol, family demon. So now, you need to have an understanding. Because I discovered that some people, they prefer you coming to the channel, to this place, to be telling them about use salt, use sugar, use rosemary, do this and that, and your problem will be over. There's what we call indebtedness, spiritual indebtedness. When you are indebted spiritually, you don't just wash off that. If you are trying to wash off spiritual indebtedness, it's like spraying perfume on top of when you have your body is dirty, you've not had your bath for days, you've been working under the sun, doing all sort of things, and you're very messy, or you fell into a pit and you come out, and then you go and dress, you wear good clothes. Will you look fine? No, now. You must remove that, you must cleanse that thing from your body. But I'm not talking about cleansing in this aspect. I am trying to create an understanding of what a family idol is. Family idol is a situation whereby some people will just, somebody in the family, maybe your great-grandfather. It depends on the generation. Some people 5 generations ago, 3 generations ago, 10 generations ago. Yes, even your own great-grandfather is innocent. But his forefathers, they brought this thing to the family. And they are worshipping it. And as they are worshipping this thing, once those people begin to go, the generation are fading away. The children are becoming aware of their position in Christ, and they are becoming born again, and they are going to church. So, this demon, the demon is a spirit. It will come out of that inanimate object that they put on the ground. Yes, some people, they just come to their house, on the wall, they just put something. They attach something to the wall and they are pouring a libration on it. They are feeding it with something. They are talking to it. This thing will come to affect the children unborn, yet unborn. Generation from generation. If you like, go and marry a white woman or go and marry a white man and have children. That thing, that demon, will begin to follow those half-caste children that don't even know anything about Africa, that don't even know anything about Jamaica or about, it depends on whichever country you come from. It's not only Africa, yes, but I'm trying to give us an understanding of what family idol is and the reason why some things are not working for you. From your mother's background or from your father's background, they must have worshipped something. They must have served a deity. They must have, be giving, carrying out some kind of yearly festival. All those yearly festivals that you go and take holiday and fly to go to your country to go and celebrate. That is some of the reason why you are going down. That spirit they are worshiping is not good for you. You are not supposed to serve any other spirit apart from the Spirit of God. Yes. So, and this demon, they know. And because a lot of people don't have understanding that you can actually separate yourself from them. Yes, because demon has, like for example now, this is a file. This is a file now. Demon has the names of everybody in the family. Everybody in the family in the file. And he's carrying the file up and down. If your name is Samson Gabriel, all your children, even if you have 10 children, their names will be registered under your name. This is how family idol operates. Yes. So, as you fade out and die, finish your own life on the face of the earth here and go, it will continue with your children. So, even if you listen to this message and you ignore it, you refuse to acknowledge the fact that you have some issues that you need to settle so that your children will be free. You can ignore it, but your children will start looking for a solution later in life. Yes, maybe they will see this video. So guys, how do you take care of this problem of family idol? We have uploaded several videos on this channel talking about how you can get rid of family idol. Yes, some family idol are present in the house. Even as we speak, if you look into your family house, some of you know that there is something there that they are worshiping. Yes, and you even send your contribution to them. And when you look at your mate in the office, you look at yourself, you know that there's a difference between you and them. Why? Because that thing you're worshiping in your family house is bringing you down. That evil. Even if it's only one man that is serving an idol in your family, there is need to stop whoever it is, or there is need for you to disconnect yourself from it. That is why you see in some family, one person that knows the ropes will be progressing, will be doing well. Yes, nothing will hold him or her down, and nothing will hold her children down. Why? Because she learned the rope, or he learned the rope and disconnect himself from it. And once you are disconnected, you're a free man, you're a free woman, your children are free. Yes, it is what is following you that will be following your children. If what is following you is disconnected, that thing will not recognize your children again. It will lose connection. It will lose contact with your children. Family idol does not allow people to progress. Family idol does not allow people to have husband or wife. Family idol causes divorce. Family idol causes setback in business and disfavor. You may graduate for 40 years, you will not get a job. You'll be applying for jobs left and right. You have all the connections in the world, but nobody will recognize you. Why? Because you are under siege. You are under demonic attack. So today, I have not come to show you salt. I have not come to show you pepper. No, I have not come to show you sugar or garlic powder. I have come to talk to us to create understanding again. Because when we discussed this thing, we were like maybe 35,000 subscribers then. So now look at our number, we're increasing and we're having new people that need to know this thing, to have this knowledge. Something is wrong with you. You are not like your mates. You are not like others. You see, you are a very beautiful, glorious lady, well accomplished, very intelligent, very smart. You are the best of the best, but yet your life is incomplete. Or some, you are in the university, you cannot graduate. You end up dropping out of the university. And you look at your family, nobody goes to school. Nobody is doing anything good. When they have business, they will fall down. The business will collapse. If you like, send them 20 containers from China, they will lose. It will even sink in the high sea. And some, they will actually receive it because they either want to punish you. You will receive the containers, the goods will be distributed and they will not pay you. Somebody is owing you money, the person will ask you to take him to police station or take her to court. Yes, and they will go to court, they will use your money to give to the police, they will use your money to give to the lawyer, and they will be postponing you until you are frustrated. And it is not their fault, it is what is following you. If these things are not following you, you are free from this kind of thing. Nobody will owe you money. Nobody. And anybody that is owing you money, the person, with time, the person begin to notice downfall in their life. That is why you see, as I am like this, I'm not worried. If you are owing me money and you decide not to pay me, I will not follow you and be asking you for my money. I will not ask you for my money because I have the Spirit of God that is pursuing everybody, whoever is holding my money down. Yes, will be debiting you spiritually. That reminds me, I gave my card to a guy who used one kind of fictitious machine, slot my card inside and debited me twice and didn't give me the money. And then he just gave me, I made 3 transactions, he gave me just 1. And I saw alerts that have been debited. And the address is showing me Lagos when I'm in Kano. I said, guy, see, you debited me 3 times and you gave me only 1. Where is the remaining money? He said, no, this one you can see, it's Lagos. This is in Ikeja. It's not here. It's not in Kano. I said, see, I came back here just because I feel like talking. Okay? Your place is the only place I've used my card in a very long time. I don't use card. I only do transfer. But because I needed cash instantly, that was why I just came to your POS and you debited me so. And he was just shouting, ranting that it is not. I said, look, oh, see, my brother, don't look at these eyelashes on my eye and the fingernails on my. See, I don't need police. I'm not going to call police for you. I will not take you to court. And I'm not going to any bank to go and complain. All I will do is to go back home and I will debit you spiritually. I give you 3 years. You'll be begging on the street for the rest of your life. Then his brother that was standing there. Now say, auntie me, it has not come to that. Please calm down. Let us settle this and that. The boy just kept quiet. He was like trying to go through what I just said. He now said, okay, auntie, please, okay, give me your phone number. I will help you to trace it. I say, so, but now you know where my money went to. You are telling me you don't know before. I will just debit. I don't need to see. I'm in the mood to talk. That's why I came here today. But I don't even have time. I'm a very busy person. But at least I'm looking for a loophole. Yes, there's what we call spiritual loophole. When you look for a loophole and you get it, upon that premises, you can strike. You are giving me that loophole. That is all I need. Yes. How can you deny that this was not at the same hour, the same minute? How can I be in Kano and also be in Ikeja at the same minute? Yes. One minute interval, the same time that you inserted my card, you are telling me I did it in Ikeja, in Lagos, when I'm in Kano here. Is it by air? I say, look, I'll just debit you spiritually. Anything called money, you and money will never be together again. You will be begging on the street. So, I'm not promising you. I'm not threatening you. I'm not threatening you. It's not a threat. It's just a statement which is already signed because you have signed it. You signed a plain sheet for me and you just signed it before I even made the statement because of your action. So be very careful who you deal with. You don't know who is who. Some people, their God will go ahead and debit you. So don't cheat somebody. Before I knew it, the guy was calling me 100 times. He now restored the money back to my account. So guys, spiritual demon, family demon is real. Family idol is real. This is one of the reasons why things are not moving for you. You look at your family, everybody is the same. If you like, go and stay in Australia, stay in UK, and your brother is in Cameroon. Both of you are experiencing the same setback in different dimensions. So be very careful. And this thing, it has solution. The first solution is for you to have the understanding. And that is what I am creating for you. So, in our next upload, or maybe, let me see your interest. If you are interested in what we can do to get rid of this problem, please leave your comment in the comment section, and then I'll come up with a solution to family idol problem. Easy things that you can do to separate yourself by yourself on your own at home in your place where you are. Okay, so using what you have at home. Yes, so guys, I pause here today, and I see you again in our next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, let me do my eye for you. I'm your sister, so please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you and God bless. Bye.